Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT and welcome to my channel. If this first time here, hey girl, hey. What's up to all my old loves? I appreciate you coming back. Thank you much for showing me love. We are here with another fashion video. I know you guys love these. It is the end of the summer, y'all. Let me stop acting like I'm sad. I love fall, okay? Fat girl fall. Hello, that's what Lizzo said. I'm with it. I'm definitely with it. So we're going to go ahead and give you a plus size fashion haul today with our last bit of summer clothes. Before we go into all that, let's get the formalities out of the way, you guys. We are on the road to 5K. Let's go ahead and get there, you guys. Let's go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you have not. You get plus size fashion videos. You get lock hair videos. You get travel vlogs, beauty, all that great stuff from me, MissRessaT. I would love to have you here. I love you guys. I comment back to you guys. And I ask for your support and giving me a thumbs up on my videos and also hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell because these videos drop. Okay, when they drop, okay? So today's another, like I said, as you can see, plus size fashion video. We asked for your answer before you guys ask. This bra is the same one that I have in black. This is from Lane Bryant. That that brand. It's just in a tan color. This girdle, y'all guys, all my girdles are so old. It's either from Kmart or Ross. This one right here. And I just have it pull up to my stomach. And yeah, I think that's where it's from. I'm sorry, all my girdles are old, you guys, but I will be purchasing new ones probably this winter. And of course, I'll bring that video to you guys when I do. So I think that's it. Let's get started. So our clothes today, we're gonna be having some swimsuits and we're gonna have some dresses. Please note that I know it's the end of the summer, but I'm going on a cruise in January and it will still be hot in Mexico. So that's why I have these clothes, okay? And I'm bringing you this haul. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by saying I would not wear this color bra and this color undies with this dress, okay? Don't play me. Don't play yourself, ladies. Wear dark colored underwears and undergarments with this, okay? Honestly, I forgot what was in my rainbow order. I just opened it today, so I wouldn't have worn this color for like 2 of these outfits, but I'm not changing out this bra or girdle. Okay, so like I said, this is from Rainbow. This is a size 4X. It's just a cute t-shirt dress. I love it with the white around the rim. That adds a nice little touch in this cute little color. This is such a cute color. Then I like the shape on the side here. This is really cute how this is cut like an A type of shape. Like I said, very simple, very casual. I would throw these on with my Converse and call it a day. My white Converse, and this would be so absolutely cute. So this is the first outfit. All right, next outfit, you guys. If you cannot tell, I've broken out in a sweat, okay? First of all, let me apologize for the lights. I meant to do that in the beginning. I was being fat and lazy, did not feel like turning on my studio lights, so I'm trying to fix it in editing to make it brighter. Whew. But yeah, this is a romper, all-in-one romper from Rainbow. This is a size 4X. I wouldn't know that by the fact that this was not elastic, okay? This was not elastic, and that's what made this hard to get on because I could not barely get this over my booty, okay? Now that it's on, I think this is very cute. This is definitely, for me, this is vacation me. There's a everyday Karessa and then there's a vacation Karessa. So I think vacation Karessa will rock the heck out of this because, you know, you just be a little more extra on vacation, be a little more naughty. So I think this is very cute. I love this on the side. Looks so adorable. Oh, my booty looking flat though. But has the zipper in the front, which it would have been nice if the zipper went all the way down. It would have been easier to put on. Like, seriously, I don't know how I'm going to get this off. But the zipper does go all the way up if you wanted it that way. And my favorite part is the hoodie. You guys, I love hoodies. Absolutely love them. I think that is so cute. And that's really what made me want to get this romper. So, yeah, full body. Yeah, I'm in a whole sweat for real. Once again, we will not wear light garments, dark garments with this. But that is this. Oh, Lord, help me, Jesus. All right, guys. All right, loves. This is the last dress here. This is actually new for me. This is from Amazon. Now, I love Amazon. Okay, if you follow my vlog channel, you know I get a package every other day. Okay, but I love them for my business and other things, but I have never bought clothes from them. So this is my first dress that I bought from Amazon. I put the size and stuff on the screen because I don't remember off the top of my head. What caught my attention was the hoodie. I told you I love hoodies, and this pocket in the front. The hoodie style. I have tons of like hoodies, like real hoodies, y'all. I love it. So I thought this was cute, and they had it in purple, so had to do it here. It's a little tighter than I thought it would be, and the material is more of that silkier material. And you know what? I don't even think I looked at the material. So I'm not following my own rules for shopping online for plus size. But so I thought it would be more clothy, but this is actually very good. And this actually I could wear. This is a great transitional piece from fall to summer because it's very thick material. And backside, it falls to my knees, which I love that length. Absolutely love it. This is absolutely adorable. I mean, no other words. No other words. Alright, y'all. This first baby suit is from Lovely Wholesale. As you can see, I do not have it on. Listen, what's the purpose of making plus size clothing if y'all don't make it in a way that our plus size can get in it? This is the only opening, y'all. This is the neck part. I'm supposed to scratch my whole hips and all this booty past all in that. Y'all, I got about, I gave up. I gave up. Okay. So that is this bathing suit. I put all the specs and everything on it. It's absolutely cute. I'm so feeling this neon color. Maybe, I mean, I was afraid I was going to break a nail, y'all. Like, maybe I can try to, because I finessed this. But it took me a long time to finesse this. I maybe could finesse this if I had assistance or something to get this on. But, yeah. But, this might be getting sold here, y'all. Might be getting sold. I'm going to create a Poshmark account too, you guys. The thingy is still in the middle, and I still did have my bottoms on. Alright, y'all. This baby suit is from Coco My. I want to say it's a US 28 or 26. So very much in my size range here. It is a one piece, my comfort spot. I do prefer one pieces. So it has this cute, I love this. I am a sucker for this right here. I'm probably supposed to have my sleeve. Am I supposed to have mine through this? I think I am. Child, y'all don't mind me. I slow. There, oh yeah, it is off the shoulder. Okay, that made it so much cuter. That made it so much cuter. All right, that is so cute. That's the back. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a flowery pattern type of chick. This is kind of cute. I can rock with this. I will say there's a little space here, down here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's not baggy, so I guess it doesn't look bad. I don't know. I had to see back when I watch it. Y'all let me know. But yeah, this bathing suit. All right, loves, this is the last bathing suit, and oh my god, this is too freaking cute. This is actually two pieces. I bought this top part. It comes all the way right here, so it's like I have a whole long shirt part. But I bought this on clearance last year from Lane Bryant, so I don't know if this is still available online. Got all the way to, where did I go on cruises last year? Anyways, got all the way there and realized it was only a top part. It did not have a bottom, so I could not wear it. But this is absolutely too cute. And I would not wear this with a bra. Some baby suits I do wear with a bra because they don't have any support. But both of those, this one and this one, did have padding in them. That one does not, from Lovely Wholesale. It's very good padding in this, so it did not, I wouldn't wear it with a bra. Now the bottoms are high-waisted. This is a US 26 wide. And I got this from Amazon. This is available still now on Amazon. So if you guys want the link, just let me know. And this fits perfectly. The reviews were great on it, and it said it would fit how the size would, and they did not lie. This fit perfectly and matched up perfectly with this top. So I'm very excited about that. So that is it, you guys. It's the end of the summer. Time to pull out those scarves and hoodies and cute beanies, you guys. I'm so excited. This is my first fall with locks. I got to figure out how I'm going to style them and all, you guys. But yeah, this is the end of the summer plus size fashion haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below. What was your fave? Give me suggestions on shapewear, where to get it. Where are you shopping for the fall? Let me know. Have you already started? Holla at your girl. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me at MissRessaT on all my social media networks. All of them, especially Instagram and Snapchat. And give this video a thumbs up. It helps a whole lot, you guys. And share. I love this. Okay. That's it for your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches.